So I've had this pinch in my back, kind of my shoulder, for a while. So I'm trying to get that fixed. So yeah.
Okay.
All right, we got this.
Perfect.
We'll get it cleaned up. Let's have you stand up. Come right over here. Face that way. So we're gonna adjust your rib. You're just gonna lean right back into me. Look up. There you go. Good. Have a seat back on the table. Perfect. Alright, that's good. Okay, go ahead and lay on your stomach. It's not really bothering him, but he's got his right leg's long and his low back's off a little bit.
Oh,
But
yeah.
he said it's not really bothering him, but we'll straighten it out. So go ahead and lay with this side up. Bend this knee. Alright, so I'm going to contact you right there. We're just going to straighten out that. So just relax your stomach. There you go. Good. Come back on your stomach. Back on your stomach. Now I should have balanced out his legs. There we go. So nice and straight now.
Perfect.
Elbow's good. He was pretty locked up right in his mid back. It started moving earlier, right when I was just checking it. Take a deep breath in, Brian. Let it out. Too much. Roll over on your back. All right. Cross your arms like that. Deep breath in, let it all the way out. There we go. Good. Okay. Get up here. Put your butt right up there. Bring your head over. Relax it. Nice. You're doing pretty good for a first timer.
Thank you.
It's hard. There you go.
Ooh, nice.
Good there. Catch this, put it right across like that. See if we got anything left in here. Take a deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Relax right here. Good. Okay, let's sit you up facing that way. Check that right leg. When we did his exam, his right leg was weak. So we'll recheck that right now. Bring this leg up. Hold it if you don't want me to push it down. There you go.
That's a big difference.
We'll hit that around.
Yeah.
This one was very strong. We'll do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one just dropped all the way down last time.
Wow, that's awesome.
Alright, let's do this. Okay. A little click in the collarbone. A little tender right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tap that in and then we'll adjust it. Somebody get you right here and over here.
Cool.
And we'll move it. There. Okay. There we go. Good. All right, you want to try laying on your back and sitting up, or see if you get that pain?
Oh, that's a lot better.
Yeah?
Yeah, nothing there anymore.
Perfect.
Wow. Yeah, great.
All right. Cool.
Yay.
You did great. Thank you.
Good
Good
job.
job.